Hello guys, something went wrong. You can contact Microsoft support for help with this error. Such type of error appear on your screen when you try to install Windows latest update in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Go to Windows settings and from the left pane under system settings, go to troubleshoots, click on other troubleshooters, and here navigate to Windows Update troubleshoot, click on run. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete, then restart your PC to check if the error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup, select Windows C, press OK, and thereafter choose cleanup system files and click on OK. It will clear Windows Update cache from File Explorer and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Press S and here execute the commands as shown your screen. First stop all your network process. Execute this command one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Thereafter execute these two commands. Same procedure will follow. After each command you should press enter and thereafter execute these commands to start net start beats and press enter on each times and check whether your error is resolved or not. Definitely your error will. Also you should execute SFC scan now command to check any corrupted file system that prevents the Windows update in Windows 11 and Windows 10. SFC